Placing trades on the NinjaTrader Mobile App and using the NinjaTrader SuperDOM is easy and intuitive. Let's take a look. Starting from the quote section, I'm going to tap U.S. Treasury bonds with my finger and it'll pull up a chart. At the top of the chart, you'll see a menu with the second menu item called SuperDOM. I'm going to tap that with my finger and a SuperDOM will appear. Now, before we place a trade on the SuperDOM, I want to tap that Trade 1 button right below the SuperDOM and it'll open up a configuration window. I want to make sure my quantity for my trade is proper. It's one contract right now. I could change that. I'm going to leave it as is. Bracket order, we could activate a bracket order, and then we could also use a trailing stop. So going back to the DOM, I just swipe down, and then to place a buy limit order, I'm going to pick a price, and I'm going to hold my finger down on that price. In this case, 111.04. I'll get a button at the bottom that says buy one limit at 111.04. I press that, and it sends the order. I get the confirmation ribbon. Alternatively, I could also place an order to sell one contract with a limit order using the same technique. I'm going to press at the price I'm interested in, I'm going to release, and we're going to get sell one limit order at 117. At the bottom, I'm going to tap that, and I'll place that trade, and I have a confirmation that that order is also working. To modify any of these orders, I could simply tap the label that appears on the SuperDOM where my limit order is represented, and then drag it to a different price, let go, and then agree to modify by clicking the modify button. Alternatively, we could also use that little arrow at the end of the label, just tap it once, and you could toggle up and down on price, or you could even cancel the limit order by canceling it with the X. Alternatively, you could also hit the close button, and that would cancel everything as well. Last but not least, if you wanted to do a stop, it would be the exact same. So a buy stop would be above the market. I'm going to go ahead and pick a price, hold down my finger, and then at the bottom it says buy one stop at 111.17, and I would tap that and it would place the order. Hope that helps.